Hey, Fearless Networkers, Todd Falcone here, and welcome back to another blog post. This is a follow-up from yesterday's interview that I had with MLM attorney Kevin Thompson. So below this video, if you're watching this on my blog, of course, which is the place you want to be watching it, you'll see some detailed answers to the questions that I gave him during this interview. Obviously, the legal side of the business is not really a fun side for most people to have a conversation about. I mean, some people don't really like talking about legal stuff or attorneys or taxes or there's insurance. I mean, there's a number of things that are kind of necessary things in life that just may not be super exciting to talk about for most people. I mean, obviously, I had a great chat with him, and him being an attorney, I'm sure he's excited to talk about the legal aspect of it. But for most people, they kind of shy away from that. And that's, I want to say this as I do this video, and then you read the rest of this post, that shying away from the legal aspect or legal discussions, I think, is a big mistake. You're in a business, you need to know what's right, what's wrong, what's legal, what's not legal, and so on, and not to avoid those things. So you can, again, I don't know where you might be watching this on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, you want to go to toddfalcone.com, find my blog there, and then read the rest of the information down below this video. So there were a few things that did stick out, and I'll talk about those really quickly, that Kevin talked about that were just absolutely critically important. Number one is we as independent distributors need to focus on product movement of product to end users. So I think given some of the things that have happened in the marketplace, that there really has to be a significant focus on moving product to end users. And in fact, really, for any network marketing or direct sales business, it is the movement of products or services to end users, which is what we should be doing anyhow, not just recruit, okay? That's number one. Number two is don't overhype the opportunity, okay? So the phrase, and I think the phrase can go well for a couple of these items I'm talking about. The truth is good enough, right? Letting someone know that it takes work, that it takes concerted effort, and being honest and telling people up front that it's going to require some significant commitment and time and effort and energy to create whatever level of success it is that they're looking for. There's no free lunch. There certainly is no get rich quick. It takes work, and I think that we as an entire profession need to do a great job of letting people know that while the opportunity to make significant income is there, and there's a huge upside potential, it doesn't come without its significant effort and energy that needs to be put into it. Number three is, and this is another thing Kevin talked about, is the income disclosure statements. That most companies have an income disclosure statement, and I think it would be, and I agree with him, I think it would be a really good idea for us to not shy away from using those in our promotion for our opportunity as we're going out building our business. A lot of times people are like, oh my gosh, I don't want to show the income disclosure statement, because when they look at the numbers are right there in front of you, and it shows you the percentage of people that make X amount of money and so on. So, but don't be afraid of that. Don't be afraid to use your income disclosure statements that are available to you. And you do that, again, the truth is good enough. I mean, the opportunity for someone to create something significant in their life is there if they choose to do the work. Here's what's possible, but let's tell you the truth. So again, I think it is about telling the truth and being honest with people. It's going to uplift the level of professionalism and acceptance our entire profession has, and it's going to be all good for us. So hey, I even dressed up for the part today and put a suit on in my office. Are you kidding? Now here's the thing. I will tell you, and I know this is a serious post, but I'm wearing surf trunks and shoes, little tennis shoes. So it's business on the top and casual on the bottom, but since we're in this video, you don't actually see that. So read the rest of the post, and definitely you'll see the answers from Kevin Thompson. He's a great guy. He's one of the most well-respected MLM attorneys in our space, and you'll see his answers below if you're watching this video on my blog right down here. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.